How to fix if you're unable to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar from the top. Then turn on airplane mode, which is airplane-like icon. After you turn it on, simply turn it off after 5 seconds, which will restart all your network. After you've done that, what you need to make sure is VPN. To do that, open Settings. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network. After you've clicked on Wi-Fi and Network, in here, click on VPN. After that, select the VPN that's available and make sure your VPN is turned off. Simply click on Always on VPN to turn it off. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix if you're unable to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.